Good day, YouTube. This is J Money with Falling Forward Financial. Just a new stock that I found here. This one is the CBD of Denver. And so I just started researching this one, and ticker is CBDD. And as you can see, it's at 0.0093. So on its way to a penny. We'll see when and if that happens. But here's a look at the 1 year, 0.001 on up to a penny, 0.016, and came down a little bit. Looks like it ran up to 3 cents, and everything was up on February 10th, so hit a 3 cents, and ever since then it's just been coming down a little bit. But this is so is rocking the healthy industry, CBD stocks to watch for the rest of 2021. And so a lot of them are getting into CBD in regards to the health benefits. I believe it helps with anxiety, seizures. There's a couple shows on Netflix you can watch and get a little bit more information on those. And so here's a little table of contents, demand brands, Green Globe, and I haven't heard of any of these, but kind of interesting. The MJ legalization movement is just about the personal freedom. For many advocates, it is about liberating a plant whose health benefits had long gone unappreciated for decades. Anecdotal evidence had piled up, but anecdotal does not equal scientific. But as legal barriers to CBD research lower, scientific data is beginning to mount, and so far the results look promising. Early confirmation of CBD's effectiveness in treating epilepsy, fear, anxiety, right here we have them, and high blood pressure has raised hopes for future positive findings. For some, though, these positive results confirm what they've known their entire lives, as CBD is a substance with significant medicinal properties. Here again, CBD of Denver, CBDD. So fully legal in 18 states. Back in 2014, all eyes were on Colorado, as they were among the first 2 states to legalize. Since then, the Centennial State has become a huge player in the CBD market, playing host to dozens of startups. And here's kind of some of their products. One of them, CBD of Denver, CBDD, has become among the most prominent. Currently, they are behind CBD oil brands like Black Pearl and Rockflower. Also, they are currently launching CBD social network, which is exactly what you think it is. So very interesting. You'll probably be seeing more social network platforms for MJ, CBD, THC, and so on in the future. Just an idea. However, despite these downsides, there are reasons to expect growth in the price of CBDD stock. First of all, it's a cheap pickup. At the press time, CBDD was available for 0.011 per share. Secondly, who knows what the future will hold. So these could all go up. I have a couple penny stocks, MJ stocks, even a couple other non-MJ related, but I like to diversify into a couple different things. That's why I have them. This goes over demand brands, ticker D-MAN. They're more CBD market than just oil, flowers, edibles, well-diversified companies, and the customers a variety of ways to consume CBD. So if you want to ride the next MJ boom, you'll want to some solid retail brands in your portfolio. D-Man is a solid prospect in this niche. Earlier in the year, it made a huge acquisition, picking up the assets. These included a line of products marked as Lucky Chief. And so very interesting products. Right now, D-Man owns Farmers Hemp, a MJ seed company that develops Bespoke Genetics, and Northwest Hemp Company, which operates a legal grow-up in California. So as the MJ market recovers, D-Man may look increasingly attractive to investors. As we speak, its cost is only 2 cents. Green Globe International, GGII, spent a few minutes researching GGII, left scratching your head while you're promoting a travel industry penny stock in an article about CBD. Answer: because they're no longer in the travel business. Back in April 2021, Hemp company has acquired a controlling undisclosed sum, who is their firm is a hemp brand, CBG and CBD cigarettes. So very interesting. CBD's potential is just being realized, and so that's why I like to diversify into a couple different MJ plays, and that way you're getting exposure to all of them. This is a very interesting website, so if you're into MJ, you might want to save this. Ganjapreneur. Community College of Denver launches MJ Business Degree Program, and this is just dated on the 29th. Community College of Denver has launched a MJ Degree program that offers students an opportunity to earn Associate of Applied Science. So very interesting. The Community College of Denver has launched a MJ Business Degree program, which it says files an education gap in the field. The program, where the college says it's a first of its kind in the state, offers students an opportunity to earn Associate of Applied Science. So the president of CCD said that because of the college's strong ties in the local business community, the program equips students with the skills they need to succeed in the fastest growing industry in the United States. Committed not only to creating meaningful career opportunities for our community, but we also in the unique position to lead a diversifying MJ industry. So very interesting. You can get your AAS degree, could pursue a bachelor's degree in MJ Science and Operations, which the college plans to offer in the future. Very interesting. It'd be interesting to see what that particular position pays. New innovation program will allow our students to think critically about MJ legislation, growing, distributing, selling, and social impact of the industry. Very interesting. You can get a degree in CBD. Hemp Fusion completes acquisition of Apothecana, and this is just dated on the 3rd. So Hemp Fusion Wellness, ticker CBDHF, has closed its previously announced acquisition, which is doing business as Apothecana. I'm not sure how to say that. I'm just going to say Apothecana. That's how you say it. Of CBD brand Sage Lead Natural in a $25 million stock and cash deal. Sum includes $13.87 million paid by the issuance of sum of 11.63 million Hemp Fusion common shares at $1.19 per share, and 1.125 million also in shares. And just going to scroll through the rest of this information, and moving on. CBD of Denver reports revenue of $2.018 million in July 2021, up 195% over year. And this is dated on the 3rd. Full CBD and hemp oil company and producer, distributor of MJ and CBD products in Switzerland, Europe, and U.S., is pleased to announce it generated $2.018 million in revenue in July 2021. CBD of Denver trailing 12-month revenue is now $28.352 million. Company has again achieved an excellent result given the current market situation in Switzerland and Europe, and was able to increase its revenue by 195% compared to July 2020. We are happy to announce another great month performance, and our team continues to do a great job in Switzerland and Europe. This goes over about CBD of Denver. So a full line of CBD and hemp, and producer and distributor of MJ and CBD products in Switzerland, Europe, and United States. Over here to Reddit. 27 million revenue in the last 12 months. And no real up-to-date information. Over here to StockTwits, currently at 1 cent. Low of 0.00, high of 4 cents. Woohoo! So it talks about an audit here. They have to stay above a penny for a month to uplist to the OTCQB. So there we are. We're going to be uplisting. And then I think it's the OTCQX, and then I think you go into the NASDAQ. If you have any more information on that, or if that's incorrect, go ahead and correct me in the comments. Terrible cowboy name. And nothing else in there. Over here to tip ranks, and nothing here on tip ranks. But if you have a CBD of Denver or CBDD, go ahead and list that in the comments along with your cost basis, any other information you might have that we can share, or any other MJ plays or CBD plays that we can share as well. So, and if you haven't smashed that like button yet, go ahead and hit that for me, as well as subscribing and hit the bell so you're notified of when the next videos drop. Again, this is J Money, Falling Forward Financial. Happy trading, happy investing, stay green. Cheers.